What's going on YouTube? TC Noobs here with another pack opening. Yesterday's pack opening was pretty insane, having the purple Ezreal. We're going to see what we get today. I just posted on Instagram, posted on YouTube today, making sure I get those double posts, obviously all separate. But let me know in the comments what you guys think of that idea. Do you prefer YouTube, Instagram? But let's get into this. We got a triple rare pack with a Renata, Longsword, and a Dunebreaker. Not too bad. Great pulls. Thanks for watching.